Hey, yo, it's Chriso. It's always good coming back to a job, 8, 9 months later, and just seeing what it's like when people are living in it. This is the ensuite that I did. It's all in the blues and white, and she loves her beachy theme. And then I'll take you to the bathroom. In the bathroom, just here at the doorway, I've done a little job for her. That's why I'm back here 9 months later, because the lazy buggers that they've done a wooden floor on top of the tiles for her, which is all very well. But they just stopped there at the doorway and went, "Oh, that's too hard to do." And I didn't want to come out with the floor tile, so I was lucky enough that she had a little bit of timber look left, so I just popped in a piece for her. She's a single elderly lady, and she's got the same theme in this bathroom. It's all the blue and white, and there's your niche finished with your bottles. Yeah, it's all cool. All right, we'll see you soon.